Early morning and you need your usual dose of hot water dashed with lemon. Order this unique cool touch body plastic kettle from the house of FABER. The appearance makes electric kettle unique and aesthetic, which can match any type of kitchen design. The detachable non-slip base helps you keep it on any type of surface. A great addition to your kitchen, FABER's kettle is a safe and durable product for daily use. The kettle has safety lock lid with on-off switch light indicator. To protect the appliance from any damage and for user safety, the kettle's triple protection will turn it off in case of overheating or dry boiling. Transparent water gauge shows the water level with detachable filter for convenient cleaning. This 2200 watt electric kettle has concealed heating elements and can boil up to 1.7 liters. In straight words, bring home this much needed FABER kettle and add another appliance for your convenience in the kitchen.